Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Affinity Designer, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official Affinity Designer website. Once the website loads, look for the download or buy now button. Click on it to proceed to the purchase page. Select your operating system from the available options. For example, choose between Windows, macOS, or iPad. After selecting your OS, choose the version you wish to buy. Add the software to your cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. Once it's in your cart, locate the shopping cart icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the cart icon to view your selected item. Review your purchase and then click the Checkout button. You will be prompted to enter your email address for account creation. Fill in your email address carefully to ensure it's accurate. Create a secure password for your new account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Proceed to enter your payment details. Select your preferred payment method, then fill in the required information. Once you've entered your payment details, click on the Complete Purchase button. After successful payment, you should receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the download link provided in the confirmation email. Click on the download link to start downloading the Affinity Designer installation file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the installation file and double-click it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Affinity Designer on your device. After installation is complete, open Affinity Designer from your Applications folder. On initial launch, you may be prompted to sign in with the account you created. Enter your email address and password to log in. Once logged in, you can start using Affinity Designer to create stunning designs. Explore the user interface and familiarize yourself with the tools available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.